Got the spot number 1. Gonna try to catch some bass. Fishing with my dad today. Pretty cloudy. And we'll see what we get. I didn't even know he was on there. Release him. Spot number like 5 of the day.
Spot number 5 of the day. Our luck is about to change.
Gotta grab some chunks out because they're gonna be getting demolished. Yeah.
You tell me this.
There's one.
Nice. That's a good size, dude.
He's fighting.
Oh yeah, I see him right there. Big one. Dude, that's gonna be 18.
What? That's 16.
How much you want to bet? 18 all the way.
Here we go. Still got him.
Oh yeah. Ooh, he's gonna get up. You got it.
Yeah, I gotta jump.
Maybe he looks bigger, but I think he's probably 17.
The joys of fishing off a bridge. That's a good one. Come here, come to Papa. There. 2.5 pounder. 8 chunk flew off. No. But they produce though. It produces. My dad's got one. He's just using shakehead and worm.
Yep.
Nice, nice, nice.
There he is, see?
Yeah, it's a fighter.
Yeah.
You can flip him up here.
Yeah, yeah.
I hope. I can't
so
trust your
too.
knots. Nice, epic boat flip. Nice, Dad.
14.
Nice release. Had one. God damn it. There is. Oh, big and big and big, big. Real big.
Oh yeah. Huge.
That's 18. That's 18.
You better get down there.
I'm trying, Dad. It's hard. Especially. Dad, I know what I'm doing. Ooh, epic. Oh, no.
He's in the weeds right there. He's coming out. Boy.
Here we go, here we go. Ready? Steady. Jump.
That one too, we're doubled up.
Oh, no, that was a snag.
Yeah, mine was snag.
Oh, no, he's stuck.
We're, in that grass right there, you got it.
Oh, that's big, that's big.
I lost my damn.
That's like 18 and a half.
Bring him up, we got measuring. You ready to get in the car? I'll go get your bunky board.
Oh, I got him. I got him. I got him. Woo! Look at that perfect hook set. Picture this beast Now, time to go release her. We're gonna give her a gentle release because she's a giant. Yeah, we're fishing up top of this bridge. Here we go. Oh, I gotta throw her out a little bit. Let's go. Okay, this is just a little guy. Get him into the non-current so then I can... Another catfish? Ooh. I don't know if I can lift mine. You know what? I'll just play it safe and go over the side. That's freaking fry. Oh. He's stuck or something. That's all fry. My line is cheddar cheese. Shredded cheddar cheese. Got him. Yeah. A bass. Well, it's not that big.
Alright.
Okay. Release. Always retie. Otherwise, you'll lose a big one. Because I just felt my line. And... it's got a lot of spots from wearing the rocks. So I'm going to show you guys what knot I tie. So, got my jig, which is beat up as hell. And here, let me fix this. Okay, good enough. Put it through the ring of the bait, and then pull the bait up, well, the line through, and quite a bit, and just spin it around the line. They recommend like 7 times, where I read on a website, but I do more usually. And after you spin it, you won't be able to see, but take it up, wet the knot part, and pull it down. Should look just like that. And then clip the extra off and you're good. Crawl under this bridge. My dad's hooked up on something huge. In his words, ooh, look at that rod. Dude, it's gonna go under the bridge. Oh, big catfish. Mega chomper.
Mega chomper. Don't want to come up.
I'm not touching this thing.
No, I'll do it.
Well, how do you get on land? Dude, you're gonna have to wear this thing. It's a big caddy again.
It's a bass.
It's a Cadillac.
Oh, right where a bass would be.
So?
Might be a cat, but it's a bigger one than the last one.
Cadillac.
I'm gonna stop after this one. Look. This is gonna be. See? When he wants to pull out string, he's pulling out string. Look there.
Big old catfish.
Yeah, big cat. Probably the one I just had before. So big. Get loose, dude. I want you to.
Gonna have to make 2 videos in one day.
2 video?
Yeah.
Look at it. Looks like a shark from here, man.
There's a car.
I know. Alright, dude. Let's get over to the shore.
There you go.
I can get him up.
Dude, you're catching the same one over.
I don't think so.